I'm Mike McCoy, and I was the #1 draft choice of the Green Bay Packers way back in 1970. When I was at University of Notre Dame, I played for a great coach named Errol Parsegan, and we won a national championship. So when I came up to Green Bay, it was a thrill because it was the Packers. You know, Vince Lombardi died my rookie year, so we're kind of the new kids on the block. We won a Central Division championship in 1972. Beating Minnesota in Minnesota was 10 below. Then I spent 1 year with Bart Starr as my coach, and he was actually a player. I was a fellow teammate and a friend, and he became my coach and traded me to the Oakland Raiders. So I played 2 years for John Madden, which was kind of a lot of fun. And then 2 years with the New York Giants with Bill Sims. So I've got 11 years in the league. So I've had a lot of bumps and bruises, and I've had both knees, both shoulders, both hips replaced, multiple surgeries on my hands and my elbows. So I need all the therapy I could get. But as far as football, physically, it's very demanding, you know. And so when I played, we didn't lift weights. I didn't start lifting weights till my 3rd year in pro football. And it was just the way it was back then. They didn't understand a lot of the physical aspects of the game and how to train and nutrition and all that stuff. You know, I've used saunas in different health clubs, and I thought steam was a little bit better. Then I started looking at the difference between a steam sauna, a hot sauna, and just steam. And the hot sauna is the best. And I said, okay, all right, because I always wanted something steam, because I just like the steam. But when you talk about dry saunas, you actually sweat deeper, and it helps get those toxins and everything else in your body, and it relaxes you. I've used saunas for a long time, and but not on a consistent basis. So I think with the sauna I have right at home, I'm able to use it on a consistent basis. So I'm looking forward to that because the research is there. I've always experienced it on a one-time basis if I go to a health club or if I'm traveling. So I'm really looking forward to maybe going in a couple times a week, you know, a couple hours, 2-3 hours a week. And I know the benefits are there because the research is there. Every athlete I've ever known, saunas are great. You know, whether it's football, baseball, basketball, everybody uses them. And to have the access to one in your home, I never thought I could do that. But because of the system that Good Health has, and the pricing and the ability to put one in your home, fairly easy compared to building one during construction. Because if you do that and you leave the house, it's gone. Like I said before, this thing is portable. So one of my families could take it, and I've got my sauna in my garage right now, and excited about long-term use of that. Plus, what I really like, I like a lot of things about the sauna, but what I like about this one, that I can unhook it and take it with me to the nursing home. So I'm excited about that.